Hi everybody. Just a couple of messages for you today. First, I'm very happy, extremely happy, that we have a number of Saugeen Shores businesses who, in accordance with the directive of the province of Ontario, are going to be able to start reopening over the coming days. We have retail stores that are going to start to be able to do curbside sales. We have garden centers reopening. We have some service sector businesses that are up and running again. It's just fantastic to see. But it's important for all of us to remember that in order to start running again in the era of physical distancing and in an era that requires compliance with a number of public health directives, it's going to be difficult. I mean, there's no playbook for how to operate in the era of COVID-19. There's no established set of rules for how to run a retail store during a pandemic. So all of the retailers in our community are going to be figuring this out on the fly to an extent. And it's not going to be easy. But my message is that we all need to do our best to be patient, do our best to be supportive, keep going to those businesses. And if we do that, if we hang together while all this is happening, the businesses will figure it out, things will get easier, and of course, our whole community will come through this stronger. The other thing that I'd like to talk about, or do, I guess, is to thank all of you for all that you're doing to comply with the orders from the province, to stay home, and to keep mitigating the spread of COVID-19. And I'm getting calls all the time from people across our community who are trying to understand how best to comply, from cottage owners who are staying at home in their primary residences and saying, you know, I want to do whatever I can to ensure that I don't enhance the spread of COVID-19. I want to comply with the orders, and I want to thank those people because it's a sacrifice. It's a big sacrifice not to use your property, not to come up for the Victoria Day long weekend like you do every year and like you've done for decades on end. But it's important. If we keep up the effort, we're going to beat COVID-19, and we're going to be Saugeen Shores strong.